Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Gboard is installed and set as your default keyboard. Open Settings and navigate to System Languages and Input. Select Virtual Keyboard to verify. Once done, check Android version and note any recent updates that might coincide with emoji failures. If you customize dictionaries or shortcuts, back them up or sync with your Google account before changing app data. This prevents losing personalized entries when you clear cache or reset settings later in the process. You now perform the core repairs. First force stop Gboard, then clear cache. If emoji still fail, clear app data to reset settings. Next, open Play Store and update Gboard plus Google Play services because missing components can break emoji rendering. Make sure necessary permissions are granted, storage for downloaded emoji packs, microphone and physical keyboard settings if applicable. Once updated, reboot the device so system fonts and input frameworks reload, and then test emoji in several apps to confirm functionality. You finish with advanced options if emoji still fail. Install any available system font or emoji compatibility updates from the device maker, because emoji rendering often depends on system fonts. If that fails, try Gboard Beta or uninstall and reinstall the stable app to refresh components. As a final measure, back up your data and perform a factory reset only if necessary. If problems persist after these steps, the key troubleshooting tip: check another keyboard app. If it shows emoji correctly, the issue is isolated to Gboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.